Hi, I'm Pamela and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about what every business needs. Traffic, top tier traffic. I have a special link for Traffic Authority with special pricing. You can't get this pricing anywhere else online. You have to go through the special link that I have. And to get that link, all you got to do is say so in the comments and we'll get together and you can get that link. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to Traffic Authority and tell you a little bit about it. Here we go. So here we are in Traffic Authority. This is tells you about how it works, this video here, where you get premium traffic at wholesale prices, fast delivery and order controls, and unlimited supply of top tier traffic. Traffic packages are going to be here. And we have the basic package, which is 170 to 190 clicks for $220. All packages are delivered between 14 and 28 days. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different packages that are available on the main website. They go all the way up to a diamond package, which is 8,100 to 8,400 clicks for $83.97. So they do have all different packages in between, as you can see here. The basic, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, titanium, and diamond. And like I said, they're all top tier traffic clicks. Over here you have your pending orders, your active orders, your past orders, and they have the reward store because you can earn rewards by buying traffic. And then you can use the rewards to buy more traffic. So there is also something else I wanted to show you here. Let's go to the overview. Okay, this is when you sign up to be a reseller, as I did. You go through these 6 steps here to get welcomed, learn how it works, set up your e-wallet, create your game plan, accelerate your success, and then launch your business. If you're wanting to start your own business with Traffic Authority, right now you can do so for $47 through the end of August. And you get with that the Traffic Optimizer, and the Traffic Optimizer is where you can create tracking links for your affiliate links, split testing and rotator use. They have exit pop-ups that you can use. They have timers you can use, a site monitor, and they also have a capture page builder. So pretty much everything that you would need to market Traffic Authority. They also have email swipes that you can use. And with your autoresponder, they work with GetResponse email marketing. So yeah, there's that. The Traffic Academy, if you were to get this would allow you to make higher commissions. And this is only $97 a month if you upgrade your membership, and you get the Traffic Authority certification course, become a certified traffic expert, and you get live training from traffic experts, and you always get to know what's working now, and you get higher commissions. The reseller's license, like I said, is $47 a month, and that comes with the Traffic Optimizer. I haven't gotten the Traffic Academy yet. I will be doing that soon, because if you don't have Traffic Academy and someone does purchase that from you, you will not get the commission. It will pass you up to your sponsor. So I will be getting that soon myself. They have an awesome training center. They have the introduction to the training, traffic authority company, traffic authority products, the fast start, the marketing training, bonus training, and live training archives. There's so much training in here, there's no way you can go wrong if you follow this training. So I do want to say that if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, hit all on the bell icon, so next time I put out a video, you'll get notified. And I hope you all enjoyed this video and found value in it. I do not make any guarantees of income. Thanks.